There was a time in this fair land when the railroad did not run. When the wild majestic...
Welcome to Oaklawn Blacksmith Shop. Today we will be talking about the 25-pound London pattern anvil. These are made from H13 tool steel and are hardened to about 54 to 56 Rockwell. They are 14 inches long by 2 1/4 inches wide for the face, and then the face is 8 1/4 inches long with a 1/2 inch hardy hole. They stand 6 inches tall, and they're great for a portable blacksmith or taking to craft shows. They have a nice ring to it. These are modeled after the 2,000-pound anvils. We made a batch of 3 of them that were around 2,100 pounds. These are the salesman samples of them.
With many a fortune won and lost and many a debt to pay. For they looked in the future and what did they see? They saw an iron road running from the sea to the sea, bringing the goods to a young growing land, all up from the seaboards and into their hands. Look away, said they, across this mighty land, from the eastern shore to the western strand. Bring the workers and bring up the rails. We gotta lay down the tracks and tear up the trails.